What if the best open AI model out right now didn't come from America or China? Would you even notice if it came from Germany? Because right now, almost nobody's watching this one and it just beat models more than twice its size. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's talk about what actually happened here. There is a new AI model dropping basically every week at this point, and most of them come from the same handful of places, America or China. That's just a pattern we've all gotten used to. So when a model shows up from a German research group and lands at the top of the open source rankings, that's genuinely worth stopping for. On July 13th, 2026, a German consortium released a model called Soofi S. And the reason people are paying attention is simple. According to its own pre-training report, it scores higher than every other fully open model on both English and German benchmarks. That includes a model from the Allen Institute and a Swiss model that's more than double its size, and it still comes out ahead. Now, here's who's actually behind it, because this isn't some random side project. Soofi stands for Sovereign Open Source Foundation Models. It's coordinated by the German AI Association, and the group behind it includes Fraunhofer IIS, the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, TU Darmstadt, the University of Würzburg, the L3S Research Center, and two AI companies working alongside them. That's a serious lineup of institutions all pulling in the same direction. And here's the number that actually matters. It has 31.6 billion parameters in total, but it only switches on about 3.2 billion of them for each word it generates. Why does that matter to you? Because the compute you need to run it is closer to a tiny 3 billion parameter model, while the knowledge inside it is closer to a full 30 billion one. You get the brain of a big model running at the speed of a small one. That's what's called a mixture of experts design. Picture it like a team of specialists instead of one generalist trying to know everything. There are 128 experts inside the model, and for every single word it writes, a router picks just 6 of them to actually do the work. The rest sit idle. This is the same idea DeepSeek uses, and a few of the other top open models too. But Soofi S adds something extra on top of that. It mixes a different kind of memory layer in with the regular attention layers most models use. And this is where it gets genuinely interesting if you work with long documents. In a normal model, everything you feed in gets stored so the model can look back at it, and the longer your input gets, the slower everything runs. In Soofi, only a handful of layers keep that memory at all, and the result is wild. At 40,000 tokens of context with multiple requests running at once, Soofi generates roughly 8 times more words per second per GPU than similar sized dense models. And its speed barely drops off, all the way from 4,000 tokens up to 256,000. Normal models fall off a cliff at that point. This one just keeps going. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, the training story behind this is unusual too. The whole thing was trained in Munich on Deutsche Telekom's industrial AI cloud using up to 512 NVIDIA GPUs running from late March to mid-May 2026. That's about 253,000 GPU hours total. And according to the reports, that entire facility runs on renewable energy. They fed the model around 27 trillion tokens across 3 phases. The first phase teaches language fundamentals from a broad mix of web text, code, and reasoning. The second phase narrows down to higher quality sources. And the third phase stretches out the context window using very long documents. Here's what stands out though. The German focus was deliberate. In phase 1, German made up 7.2% of the training mix. By phase 2, that climbed to 15.3%. For comparison, most models like this only give around 5% total to every non-English language combined. So this team went hard on German on purpose. So let's get into the actual results. On the English benchmark aggregate, it scores 70.1. On German, it hits 79.1. And against every other fully open model in the comparison, it takes first place in every single category. On coding tests, it scores 73.8 and 70.2, the best among its open peers. On the German version of that same coding test, it hits 84.2. And on a test of Germany's specific regional knowledge, it actually ties for first place with a bigger model from Alibaba. Compared to the baseline it was built on, the German focus training lifted its language ability by over 15 points and its science reasoning score by nearly 10 points without losing any English performance along the way. That's a genuinely strong result for a model this size, but here's the part most people watching this are going to skip over, and I don't want you to miss it. First, the base model hasn't been instruction tuned or safety aligned. If you download the raw weights and just start chatting with it, you're going to get messy, raw text, not a clean chatbot experience. They have released post-trained versions for that though, so if you want something usable out of the box, that's the one to grab. Second, math is a genuine weak spot. On German competition math, it scores 56, well behind competing models scoring in the mid-60s and even mid-70s. That's the trade-off of only activating 3 billion parameters at a time. There's simply less room to store raw-world knowledge. And third, this is the one I'd actually watch out for. On a specific long context test, pulling out repeated information from a huge document, Soofi S drops to around 3% accuracy past 32,000 tokens. A comparable model still manages over 60%. The team behind it is upfront about why. Their long context training had plenty of long documents, but not enough data specifically teaching extraction. So it's one narrow weak spot, not a total collapse, but if your work involves pulling specific details out of huge documents, that's something you'd want to test yourself before trusting it blindly. So who's this actually built for? If you work in German, this is the strongest free open option available to you right now, full stop. If you're building something where your data can leave your own machines, this was built for exactly that situation. If you're serving a lot of users at long context, that flat speed curve is a real advantage over almost everything else out there. And if you're a developer looking for a strong starting point to fine tune on your own data, that's literally what this model was designed for. But if you just want a simple chatbot to answer questions, this probably isn't the one. The big hosted assistants are still ahead for that specific job. What matters here isn't that one country suddenly took over, it's that the gap between the handful of labs everyone watches and everyone else just got a whole lot smaller, and that's only going to keep happening from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.